Hello everyone, this is Vinay and you're watching EduSmart. So in this video, I have brought you another free certification courses that you can complete right from your home and in this lockdown. So unlike the previous videos, in this video I have brought a bunch of courses for mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, electronic engineers and some general communication skills as well as management courses which are absolutely free, and it is being offered by some companies in collaboration with the AICTE. So you can see these courses here. So before beginning this video, let me tell you guys, you people are really doing an amazing work, and I don't think that if you were in college you might use this time really this efficient way. So this has motivated me to bring you more such courses available for you. So let's begin the video now. So these are some courses available for free. You can see there are some lot of courses on information technology as well as some programming knowledge, and for electrical engineers, electronic engineers like MATLAB, digital marketing, as well as you can also get deep learning. For mechanical engineers it is Autodesk, CAD, and some management courses like financial management system, and communication skills, robotics, etc. So there were a lot of courses available for you. So I'm going to tell you how to access this. So I strongly recommend you to watch this video till the end so that you cannot face any technical errors while completing this course. So follow each and every step as I show you here. In order to get this course certification clearly and in order to understand this very well, you need to watch this video till the end and watch this video carefully. Let me show you as a demo for one course. So here is one course, machine learning using Python, right? You just click on this heading which is showing you machine learning using Python. So I have clicked on it. Just scroll down the page, you can see the description. Scroll down, you can see this button, learn for free during COVID shutdown. Now click on this button. So you can see about this course, machine learning using Python. Okay, you got this try for free now, right? It will take a second or 2 seconds to update. You will get this try for free, and this is absolutely for AICTE students. Kindly ignore the message and complete your course or assignment to earn your smart certificate. So you just need to complete this course and you can get this certificate. Let me tell you some words on this course. This machine learning is being provided by this Skyfield Labs, and the best thing of this course is you can complete this course with your friends. Sounds interesting, right? As you can complete this course with your friends, like you can have a team of 5 members and each member of this team will get individual certificate of completion. So that is about this course. Will get separate logins and certificates. A maximum of 5 is allowed for this course. So I'm going to show you how to enroll for this now. So now click on this try for free. So this has the login page has opened, right? You just need to sign up for an account. You can either log in with your Google or your Facebook, or else this is if you have an account. Otherwise you need to create account, fill in these details and create an account, or else directly you can log in with your Google account. That's how this is you can get onto this site. So once you are done with this, you can access this course absolutely for free. So this is about machine learning being provided by the Skyfield Labs. Let me take you on to some other course. Let me take So this is CAD being provided by Skyfield Labs Autodesk. As I said, click on this CAD using Autodesk Inventor. Just click on the title, don't click on anywhere, it might redirect you onto some other pages, ads, etc. So just click on this title of that course. Now I'm clicking on it, so you can get this again. You can see the description of this course. As usual, in order to get onto this, click this button, learn for free during COVID shutdown. Wait for a second or the other, will get the same way as we have seen earlier. So you can get this, try for free, and you can complete this course. And the best part of this course is you are going to work on a project. It means you can complete a project and you can add it onto your resume, so which has credits in your regular academics, right? So you can use this project for your academics. That's how you are going to complete your project, as well as you are also going to get a certificate. So this is about this course. And so there were many other courses. If you are interested, you can get and check it out. So there are a lot of courses available here. Let me take you to the MATLAB course. I have seen it somewhere. So here it is, MATLAB on RAM. Click on the title as usual. Now click this button, learn for free during COVID shutdown. So I'm getting a lot of queries from students saying that I could not access the course, batches has expired, etc. This usually happens because you are very late, and you are late because you did not subscribe. And even though if you have subscribed and if you did not hit the bell icon, you cannot get the updates. But most of the courses I am providing here are all limited time offers. So you need to be very much you need to complete this course soon. At least you need to register as app. So in order to register soon, you must have subscribed and click the bell icon. So do not forget to click this subscribe button and then hit the bell icon, so that you can access these courses in the time itself and you can get the certificate. So this is how you are going to get this MATLAB course. You can launch this course. You can see the structure of this content. They are going to provide, you can at the end you also have a final project. You can launch this course. See, clicking on the launch the course, and this is how you are going to complete the courses. Create an account as usual if you are interested in this course. So that is about this course. The last date to apply for these courses is May 15th. It means you need to register in or before May 15th itself. Later on you need to pay for these courses. So you have seen this is not accessible on your mobile applications. So you need to go on for a laptop or a desktop. So try it on a laptop or desktop. All courses are not available on mobile versions. So that's about this video. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such more interesting stuff related to your campus placements or certifications, any recruitments, and communication skills. Thank you for watching this video, and please do share this video with your friends. Don't be confused. We need to let everyone be benefited with this video. Thank you for watching this video again.